Please, may I come in, sir?
Welcome.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am.
Have your seat, please.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
How are you, Ruhani?
I'm fine, sir.
You have come here for MBE interview.
Yes, sir.
You are good in economics.
Yes, sir.
Okay, get ready for interview.
Yes, sir.
So good morning, friends. Welcome to PD Classes. Student important session for those who are going for MBE interview, Master of Business Economics. So today we have Ruhani in front of me, and Anika is also going to participate with me. Okay, Ruhani.
sir.
So you are ready for this interview?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Ruhani, my first question to you is, why do you want to join MBE? आपने MBE as a career क्यों choose किया?
I want to gain more knowledge about microeconomics, macroeconomics, quantitative concept techniques, and applied environmental economic concepts.
Very good.
I want to know about national and international policies.
Okay.
I want to learn about financial market, financial forecasting, and calculation of risk.
Okay, this motivates you to go with
Yes,
MBE.
sir.
Economics आपको अच्छा लगता है सब्जेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
चलिए तो हम बहुत से क्वेश्चन आज इकोनॉमिक्स लेकर आए हैं, आप रेडी हैं?
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो पहले मैं अनिका को चांस दूंगा. अनिका, यू कैन आस्क एनी क्वेश्चन.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are reading books and traveling to new places.
That's good. Okay, what type of jobs we are getting with MBE?
We can become business analyst,
Okay,
market analyst,
okay,
asset manager, and operational manager, and there are many other jobs in global financial market.
okay. And what are the sources of rural credit in India?
There are two sources of rural credit in India: formal sources, informal sources.
Can you give an example?
Yes, sir. The examples of formal sources are commercial bank, cooperative society, NABARD, and government can control it.
Yes.
And examples of informal sources are family and relatives and friends, and there is no government control.
Okay. And where comes the landlord? It is formal or informal?
Informal.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
That's good. चलिए मैं आपसे और भी बहुत से क्वेश्चंस लेकर आया हूँ, पर बाय दैट टाइम मैं चांस दूंगा हमारे कैंडिडेट को.
Okay,
यस,
sir.
प्लीज आस्क क्वेश्चन.
What are the weakness?
My weakness are I am a perfectionist and try to achieve the best out of it if it requires more labor.
Okay. Ruhani means what?
Ruhan, the meaning of my name is spiritual and sacred.
So are you a spiritual girl?
Yes, sir. I am going to temples in the
Oh.
morning. Yes,
अरे
sir.
वाह. And paying oblations and all.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Prayer dish.
Yes, sir.
चलिए. Okay. The subject of the study of macroeconomics is based on which principle?
It is based on the principle of national income.
National income. Okay. What are the 5 essential categories of e-commerce?
The 5 essential categories of e-commerce are business to business, business to consumer,
Okay.
business to government,
Okay.
and consumer to business, and consumer to consumer.
Very good. Yes, Anika, please have your question.
What is your aim
My aim is to become a finance manager
and why?
because I love challenges and I want to gain more knowledge about the management.
Okay. You are having your graduation
Yes, sir.
with what type of subjects you are having? You did BBA,
Yes, sir.
Bachelor in Business Administration.
Yes, sir.
So what subjects you studied?
In business, I have studied business management, security analysis, financial management, and business law.
Okay.
Yes.
So what is your favorite topic
In which, sir,
in among these topics? आपका favorite कौन सा रहा है?
my favorite is financial management.
FM आपको अच्छा लगता है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अच्छा, इन्फ्लेशन को मेजर हम कौन से इंडेक्स से करते हैं? Can you name the index
Yes,
where we
sir.
measure inflation?
We measure index by consumer price index and wholesale price index.
Yes, CPI and WPI.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rohani,
Yes, sir.
inflation is controlled by 2 policies.
Yes, sir.
Name them.
It is controlled by monetary policy, fiscal policy,
And fiscal policy?
by government.
Okay. Okay, what is hyperinflation?
Hyperinflation is the situation in which prices are high and there is imbalances in the supply and demand for money.
Okay, prices are too sharp.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, Anika, please ask your
Who
question.
is your idol?
My idol is Mother Teresa because she is kind-hearted and she is helpful She has a helpful nature.
अरे वाह, मदर टेरेसा आपकी आइडिया,
Yes.
दैट्स ग्रेट. अच्छा, स्टैगफ्लेशन क्या होता है, सुना है आपने? व्हाट इज
Yes, sir.
स्टैगफ्लेशन?
Stagflation is the economic growth in which the economic growth is very slow and prices are rising.
Okay. Ruhani, NABARD was set up in which year?
1982.
Okay. And can we open account in NABARD? हम लोग ओपन कर सकते हैं?
No, sir, we cannot open an account in NABARD.
Okay. Yes. अनिका, आप कोई क्वेश्चन पुट अप कीजिए.
What is happiest moment of your life?
The happiest moment of my life is to celebrate my birthday with my family and friends.
अरे वाह. Okay, tell me two qualities of your father.
My father is a kind-hearted and he is strict also.
Okay.
And whenever I want something, he brings.
अरे वाह, क्या बात है. अच्छा, आप MBA करने जा रहे हैं,
Yes,
तो
sir.
definitely you want to gain more knowledge.
Yes, sir.
Like BBA and all this. I did my BBA in 97, 3 years I did from Devi Love Vishwavidyalaya.
Yes, sir.
Then I did my MBA from IMT Ghaziabad in marketing, and
Yes,
in HR I did from Symbiosis Pune. Then I did my MA English and all this.
Yes, sir.
So golden revolution is related to,
Horticulture and honey.
अरे वाह, knowledge तो आपका अच्छा है. और white revolution is
It is related to dairy and milk production.
oh, dairy and milk.
Yes, sir.
Okay, when was the planning commission set up?
1950.
Great knowledge. अच्छा, अब आप ये बताइए कि आपकी स्ट्रेंथ्स, आपकी कुछ क्वालिटीज़ बताइए ऐसा जो स्ट्रांग हो आप इस पॉइंट्स में.
My strengths are I am a dedicated and determined person.
ओके, तो आप अपना कंप्लीट इंट्रोडक्शन दे सकते हैं इंग्लिश में?
Yes, sir.
गिव योर कंप्लीट इंट्रोडक्शन.
I am Ruhani. The meaning of my name is spiritual and sacred. I am quite similar to the meaning of my name as I am quite kind-hearted and passionate person.
ओके.
And I have completed my bachelor's in business administration. Currently, I am preparing to pursue my master's in business administration from Chitkara University.
ओके.
I belong to Sri Ganganagar, which is also known as fruit basket of Rajasthan. My hobbies are reading books and traveling to new places. My strengths are I am a dedicated and determined person.
ओके. Okay, now I want to know, like you are going for master degree.
Yes, sir.
So definitely you must be having some qualities
Yes, sir.
in to be a manager, right? So according to you, एक manager में क्या quality होनी चाहिए?
Good communication skills.
Okay.
Ability to remember everything.
Yes.
And good financial accounting.
Okay, इसका knowledge होना चाहिए
Yes,
फाइनेंशियल
sir.
अकाउंटिंग का. Okay, जो FM आपका इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है.
Yes, sir.
Good. Ruhani, what is your short term and long term goal of life?
Yes, sir. My short-term goal is I want to complete my MBE, and my long-term goal is I want to become a successful manager.
अरे वाह, आप फिनेंस फील्ड में आगे मैनेजर बनना
Yes,
चाहते हैं. यस. अनिका, आप कोई क्वेश्चन पुट अप कीजिए.
Tell me about your family.
I have a lovely family of 5. My father is the head of the family. My father is a farmer. My mother is a homemaker. I have 2 siblings.
हाउ आर यू फीलिंग विद पीडी क्लासेस, कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
I am feeling good and excited, and I have built up my confidence level, and I have improved my communication skills.
ओके. आपकी तरह अनिका भी हमसे कोर्स कर रही है, तो अनिका हाउ आर यू फीलिंग विद पीडी क्लास, कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
Sir, it's a best experience.
Okay.
And I like to learn here.
Okay.
And it builds my confidence.
गुड. चलिए, अब ऑलमोस्ट आपने बेस्ट आंसर दिया. अब समय
Yes,
आ गया
sir.
हमारे व्यूवर्स को भी हेल्प करने का, जो
Yes,
लास्ट
sir.
तक हमारे साथ बने रहते हैं.
Yes, sir.
ओके, एक इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन होता है ड्यूरिंग एन इंटरव्यू. दे वुड आस्क यू दैट
Yes, sir.
why should we select you? ये एक important question है.
Yes.
So according to you, if this question I ask from you, then what you will answer? रोहानी, अगर मैं आपसे ये क्वेश्चन पूछूं, why should I select you in my college or whatever? Suppose आप MBE के लिए आ रहे हैं, तो obvious है, I'll ask you why should I select you? We have lot many
Yes, sir.
candidates who want to go for MBE
Yes,
in
sir.
economics. They want to go with master degree. हम आपको क्यों select करें? तो आप क्या जवाब देंगे?
I will do hard work for
Okay.
it, and I will pay attention to everything.
Okay. Means almost आप अपने बारे में अच्छा ही कहेंगे.
Yes, sir.
बट वन इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग आई लाइक टू शेयर अप कि कभी भी इस तरीके का क्वेश्चन पूछा जाए कि वाई शुड वी सिलेक्ट यू कैन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टार्ट योर आंसर विद थैंक्स. यू कैन से सर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग मी दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. अगर आप कोई लाइन नहीं बोलनी, आप ये भी कह सकते हैं सर इफ यू आर सिलेक्टिंग मी, यू आर गिविंग मी एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू फुलफिल माई ड्रीम्स.
Yes, sir.
और उसके बाद नो डाउट जैसा आपने बोला, I will do hard work, I'll pay more attention, whatever skills you are having. अगर आप confident, punctual, honest, creative, determined, dedicated, hardworking, optimistic, positive attitude, अपनी कोई भी strengths दिखाते हैं, well and good है. और अपनी कोई भी achievement अभी तक आपकी है, for example आपके 12th standard में कितने % बने?
89%.
89, बहुत अच्छे हैं. और 10th में?
10th में 70.
ओके तो हो सकता है वो आपको बोलेंगे ना कि 70 कैसे बने, 89 तक कैसे
Yes,
पहुंचे,
sir.
बट ओवरऑल अच्छे हैं। तो आप बोल सकते हैं सर 12th स्टैंडर्ड में मेरे परसेंटेज 90 अप्रोक्सीमेटली है, तो ये एक अच्छा पॉइंट है आपके लिए बताने के लिए। तो जो भी आपके अच्छे पॉइंट्स हैं आप उनको हाईलाइट कीजिए और लास्ट में पंचलाइन दीजिए, सर आई रियली नीड वन चांस टू शो माय स्ट्रेंथ्स। सर मुझे वास्तविक चांस चाहिए ताकि मैं अपनी स्ट्रेंथ्स को, अपनी काबिलियत को अपने कॉलेज में दिखा सकूं या अपनी कंपनी में दिखा सकूं, वट एवर यू वेयर एवर यू आर, राइट।
Okay, sir.
और हाँ, आपने जैसा बताया आपके 10th में आपके परसेंट 70 अप्रोक्सीमेटली और जो 12th में वो 89 है, तो थोड़ा
Yes.
गैप है। गैप रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन कभी कभी वो पूछ लेते हैं, आपके पास एक
Okay,
जस्टिफाइड आंसर होना चाहिए,
Okay,
राइट। ऑल अदर इज गुड। आई होप ये पॉइंट्स हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को भी समझ में आ गए होंगे। बेस्ट ऑफ लक टू यू रोहानी।
Thank you, sir.
ओके ओके रोहानी, योर इंटरव्यू इज ओवर, नाउ यू कैन गो।
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.